Hello from GSX 2025. Happy to be joined with Joelle Grunblatt of Ai-RGUS.
Nice to see you, Rod.
Thank you, Joelle.
Good to see you.
So at the show this year, you're featuring the Ai-RGUS platform. What's the standout capability you're demoing, and what feedback are you hearing from security leaders about maintenance and camera health?
Okay, great questions. So this year at GSX, we're featuring Ai-RGUS. We have an array of new features. So you said camera health. So I want to first address that. The Ai-RGUS software evolved and is now for cameras, but also for the entire security system. So Ai-RGUS checks an entire security system to make sure that each one of the components of that security system will work as intended. So for cameras, that's how we started. We check that each one of the cameras are on the network, have an image, and that it is the intended image for that camera. We dig deeper, we check for the recordings, that you have the days of recordings that you need, timestamp correctness. But that's only for the camera system. Now we also do the access control. For the access control, we check the readers, the servers, everything that is connected to it. We check for unauthorized attempts, people using their badges, unauthorized, you get alerted about it. We're very strong in reporting, and we do all the network devices as well. So if you have speakers, intercoms, switches, PoEs, we monitor all of that.
Excellent. So many organizations struggle with blind or failing cameras in their systems. From Ai-RGUS's perspective, what should security leaders prioritize to ensure their video investments stay reliable over time?
So over time, when they are with Ai-RGUS, Ai-RGUS will automatically pull in all the information from their entire security system. So they know that they can rely on their system now because they invested so much money on their security system. They need to make sure it all works. So with Ai-RGUS, they definitely can do that. And that's for them a critical point that finally they can address the pain point that they have, not making sure that every component of their security system is working.
Thank you. So when decision makers compare system health or monitoring solutions like your company's, what metrics or outcomes, such as uptime, incident recall, best reflect long-term value?
So I know that maybe I'm a little bit repetitive, but the fact that they can know that each part and each component of their security system works is a very big help, because now they know that they deploy their system, they have their system in many locations, many areas, and they currently manually review if that system works or not. And that's a very difficult and tedious job for them. Now they can rely on the software, they know it's working, and they can move on with doing much more important tasks, because this is really the basics that they need.
Yeah, okay, great. So with increasing emphasis on device health and AI diagnostics, compliance reporting, which trend do you see most strongly influencing surveillance operations, and how is Ai-RGUS positioning itself?
So I will start with the end of the question. Yeah. So Ai-RGUS is positioning themselves in being unique, in taking very seriously that pain point. I have so many components in my security system. It's so vast, and I rely on it. How do I make sure that everything is working and that I can continue to rely on it? So Ai-RGUS is taking that very seriously and has always focused on that, on the maintenance of the system. We started with camera systems by digging deep into all these metrics, because a camera is a complicated sensor, and we had requests from all of our users, hey, you do such a good work with the cameras, but we have also access control, which is very important. We also have all these other network devices. can you continue and do that as well? So that's what we do. We listen to our customers and to their requests, and now we are focusing on the maintenance and make sure that everything is up and running like it should. And that is our repositioning, because you hear there is a lot of AI out there, but you need to choose the AI that is the important part, that will alleviate your work. So today, if you do this manually, checking all your devices and all your components, you need help. And how can you have that help? The software does it for you. So you only get the reports. You can, even the reports, you can have them the way you want them to come to you. You can have them once a day. You can have them as soon as an alert is sent out, but you don't have to. So you can leverage the software to alleviate your work and have a great system that is operational.
So Joelle, as we wrap up, the GSX attendees walking the show floors, what's like one message you would like to deliver to the security pros on the show floor and our viewers at home about the proactive system, monitoring system?
I want to say first, thank you for passing by the booth. It's great. We have a lot of traffic at the booth, and a lot of people, a lot of interest. So that's great. What I would recommend is you invest so much in your security system, make sure it all works. So proactive care of a security system is really important, and I would recommend to look into it.
Awesome. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Rod.
Cheers.
Thank you.